After spending the entire month of March at a loss, the downtrend in Grayscale Bitcoin Trust premium has extended. At the time of publication, the premium stands at -11.45%, near its all-time low at -14%. In contrast, the Canadian Purpose Bitcoin ETF had a nearly month-long streak at record inflow levels begging April. Comparing the data, GBTC at a discount, and the growth in the BTC ETF, there is a trend in investors favoring the latter. Unlike other financial products, GBTC shares cannot be freely traded. They must go through a 6-month lock-up period. Although they give exposure to the price of BTC, stakeholders' strategy to profit is based on the premium, as analyst Ben Lilly points out. If after 6 months, the GBTC premium is high, it can be sold for a large percentage of profits. Otherwise, losses can be just as steep. Grayscale investors have started to express discontent. Investment firm Marlton issued a press release on April 6 to call for Grayscale to take immediate action to address GBTC's significant discount to net asset value, NAV. Marlton's data indicates that GBTC's premium discount represents an estimated $3.1 billion in losses to stockholders. The firm has called for a modification to the stock trading mechanism that would allow them to sell or buy shares at specific prices and at a specific time. As Ben Lilly points out, the advent of new options to gain Bitcoin exposure in Canada appears to be hurting GBTC. Researcher Jan Woostenfeld supports this thesis. The above indicates a clear demand from institutions looking to acquire exposition to Bitcoin. In parallel, the Security and Exchange Commission, SEC, is under a lot of pressure to approve a Bitcoin ETF. The Commission has received over 6 petitions to approve a Bitcoin ETF in the US in under 4 months. The discount in the GBTC suggests that investors are favoring products with better trading mechanisms. The performance of Canada's BTC ETF could create even more pressure for the US regulator. Senior commodity analyst for Bloomberg, Mike McGlone, sees a major inflection point in terms of adoption. New Bitcoin-based financial products could create a new, rising tide, from institutions and individuals investors trying not to miss out on the potential for Bitcoin. McGlone claimed, BTC is trading at $57,948 and is showing moderate gains in the 24-hour chart at 3.5%. On the 7-day chart, BTC is still moving sideways.